Hybrid disinfection. Ano ba talaga to? Mas madaling intindihin ito using the toxicity level. Traditional disinfection, spray-spray, punas-punas, kadalasan sa mga high-touch surfaces is commonly categorized into a safe level. Meanwhile, when it comes to pest control, especially yung mga knockout chemicals are highly toxic for human inhalation and most of the time can affect furniture and devices also. Dito papasok ang hybrid disinfection from Vikiller and Deger solution up to the maximum safe level of toxicity not reaching the level of pest control. Hybrid in a way that it disinfects air and surfaces at the same time. Dahil dito, it creates another safety layer which promotes unique and revolutionary pest control method. Our past studies and experiences show that by having a fully disinfected and clean space, both in air and surface, eradicates pests through environment control. Ang mga peste ay nawawalan ng viable living conditions kaya no choice ang mga ito kundi umalis or magstay at mamatay na lang. Now kung hiwalay pa rin ang activities nyo for disinfection and pest control, mag-isip kayo ng mabuti. Kung pwedeng pagsamahin at mas cost-effective, why not embrace this revolutionary change? Inquire today and get a free quote and demo. We guarantee value in activity.